Hello everyone. I'll try to now install Windows 11. I heard mostly bad things about Windows 11, but well, let's just say that a framework laptop doesn't support anything else. It's probably possible to install Windows 10 on it. It shouldn't be that difficult, but yeah. Okay. Yes, Polish programmers keyboard. Install. Yes. I don't have a product key at the moment. The one I have should be given after I install it. I think. Windows Pro. Okay, I hope that I clicked Windows 11 Pro because yeah. Uh, Disk 1 probably. Let's see, what else is there? Yeah, I could either, I could install it on secondary. I guess that would make primary easier to change, but I don't know. Install 11, Windows 11 Pro, keep nothing. Yes, correct. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. After this, I will try to install Linux, perhaps on the other drive. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Because, I mean, if I installed this one on secondary, or I installed this one on primary, I could install the other one and the Linux on secondary and then have a dual boot without some problems stemming from the fact that two systems are uh, on the same disk. On the other hand, I could have just, installed it on secondary, installed both on secondary, and if I needed an upgrade, change the primary from like 2 terabytes to 8 terabytes or something. I'm not sure. After this, I will be installing, bringing and installing the BIOS and drivers, because sadly the drivers here, well, I only have one USB stick, so yeah, I had to install uh, Windows from something, and yeah. Okay, 77% done. Uh-huh. I did change things in BIOS. Time was off by a couple of hours, but nothing major. I did change the allocation of GPU, of memory for GPU, iGPU. Yeah. God, this will be my first time on Windows 11. If anyone has any ideas, because when I was making this stick, I did, like turn off the options that allow for not snooping, but collecting data or something like that. But I wanted to make sure that things like recall, stuff like that, all of this de facto bloatware, that it's turned off. Because otherwise, this is not going to be fun using this computer. I wonder, can you use the framework screwdriver as a stylus? Oh, this time 62% and rebooted. After we do this, I will just go into BIOS and check which version of the BIOS I have, because that's also important. Uh-huh. Interesting. Yes, I am in Poland. Polish programmers. Polish programmers. Yes. Skip. No. For the moment, no. Yeah, I don't have internet at the moment. Oh, yes. So, well, this is difficult, right? All those security questions, like seriously, unnecessary. Like, ah. What was your childhood nickname? I won't tell that anyone. Like, I was bullied, so yeah, it's no fun. Those are incredibly easy to guess, I guess. Give me a moment. Sorry that this looks like this, but it's secretive, allegedly. Hi. Getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I was hoping this was going to be like more interesting than me not showing the screen for 5 minutes. Yeah, this is boring. This is boring even for me, even for my standards. I do apologize for that. Almost there. Ah, that's so nice. Mm. And the first thing I see is edge. Oh, good. Okay. I don't know if it's set up yet. Yeah, I will have to install the drivers, but before I do that, I do hope. Okay. Yeah. Let's see some stuff. This PC, it has a local disk. I will have to use this one to create. Oh dear God. To also make the second one visible. Okay. Now those are widgets. I want to start. Not get started. I want this power. Restart and what? F12, 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 F12. F12, 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 F12. I hope it works, or maybe it's delete, or maybe it's F8. I don't know. Please work. Okay, yes. Thank you. I want settings, and I want to check if stuff didn't change. English, yeah. Bootloader, yeah. GSA version. It seems like the version of the BIOS is the same as they tell you to download. And GPU memory auto, and again gaming. I would prefer to possible to, to give more than 4 gigabytes, but well, I guess that's all. And now, well, this will be enough. Okay. After that, I will install the drivers and see if things work. Thank you very much and have a good day. Please like, share and subscribe, and definitely leave a comment. This would be fantastic. I apologize for this very boring video. I had no idea it would be that boring. Like, sorry, apologies.